In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Microsoft list on SharePoint and Teams. Let's get started by opening up your preferred internet browser and searching for Microsoft Teams. It's always a good idea to ensure you're using the latest version of the browser for the best compatibility and experience. Once you have Teams open, you'll need to log in with your credentials. If you're not already logged in, you can simply enter your company email and password. Make sure you have them handy. This will bring you directly into your Teams dashboard, which is the hub for all your collaborative efforts. Next, navigate to the channel where you'd like to integrate your Microsoft list. If you're part of multiple channels, be sure to choose the one that will benefit most from having a centralized list feature. Once you're in the correct channel, look at the top of your channel window. You'll notice a row of icons, one of which is a small plus sign. Clicking on this plus sign will open up the Add a Tab window. From here, we're going to take advantage of the flexibility Teams offers by searching for a specific app. Type in Lists in the search bar, and you'll see the Lists app appear in your results. Microsoft Lists is an incredibly powerful tool that can help you track issues, assets, routines, and lots more. So don't hesitate to explore its many templates later on if you're unfamiliar with its capabilities. After selecting the Lists app, a new dialog box will appear. Here, you'll want to choose Add a List from any SharePoint site. This option allows you to pull from the existing lists in your connected SharePoint sites without the need to create a new one from scratch. This is particularly beneficial if your organization has already set up detailed lists that you need to access frequently. In the following screen, you'll see a selection of existing lists that are stored in the SharePoint site linked to this particular team. Browse through the available options and select the specific list you'd like to add. This step is easy, as all lists will be organized and clearly labeled for your convenience. Once you've chosen your list, it's time to finalize the process. Simply hit the Save button at the bottom of the window. Doing so will integrate the selected list into your chosen Teams channel, making it accessible to all team members who have the appropriate permissions. Now, your list should be readily available as a new tab within the channel, making it easier for your teammates to collaborate and stay updated on all important information. So, there you have it. You've successfully added a Microsoft list to SharePoint and Teams in just a few minutes. With this setup, you'll be able to boost collaboration and productivity across your projects. Thanks for joining, and stay tuned for more tips on enhancing your workplace efficiency with Microsoft tools.